Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video for your English vocab listening practice channel. In today's story, we are going to hear a very natural conversation at a fast food restaurant. Two friends, Ken and Mina, are visiting a busy KFC, and Mina is about to order food in English for the very first time. You will hear them look at the menu, learn useful vocabulary like combo, and navigate common questions from the restaurant staff. The English used here is simple, slow, and very friendly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. I have a little question for you to think about. What side dish did Mina choose with her combo meal? If you find the answer, please share it in the comments below. Writing your answer in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills every day. All right, let's get the story started. Are you ready to listen? Great, let's begin.
Wow, I am so hungry, Mina. My stomach is making noises.
Me too, Ken. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I really need some food.
Look, there is a KFC right across the street. Do you want to eat fried chicken?
Oh, KFC. Yes, I love KFC. That sounds perfect.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's practice speaking English inside the restaurant. You can order your food in English.
Oh, no. What? Order in English? Oh, no, Ken. I feel so nervous just thinking about it. I have never ordered food in English before.
Don't worry, Mina. It is a great way to learn.
But what if I forget what to say? What if I make a big mistake and the worker doesn't understand me?
It is okay to be scared, but you can do it. What do you think?
I don't know, Ken. My heart is beating so fast. I'm really afraid of making mistakes.
Everyone feels nervous at first, Mina. It is completely normal. When I first started learning English, I was afraid too.
Really? You were nervous before? But your English is so good now.
Yes, really. But I learned that making mistakes is a normal part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you can't improve.
I suppose that is true, but what about the person working at the counter? What if they get angry because I'm slow?
The restaurant staff are usually very kind and patient. They see many international customers every day. They just want to help you get your chicken.
They want to help me get my chicken. Okay, that makes me feel a little better.
Exactly. Practice is much more important than being perfect. Let's take a deep breath together.
Okay, I'm ready to try. But can we stay outside for just 1 minute? I want to prepare my mind.
Of course we can. Actually, while we stand here, let me tell you some interesting things about KFC.
Interesting things about KFC? Like what?
Well, do you know what the letters KFC actually stand for?
I know C is for chicken. Is K for king? King of fried chicken?
That is a great guess, but no. KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky is a state in America where the recipe was created.
Oh, Kentucky. I see. And who is that old smiling man with the white beard on the sign?
That is Colonel Sanders. He is the person who founded KFC. Do you know how old he was when he became successful with his restaurant?
I don't know. Maybe 30 or 40?
He was 65 years old.
Wow, 65? That is amazing. His story is very inspiring. It shows that it's never too late to succeed in life.
Exactly. And here is one more fun fact. In Japan, many people eat KFC for Christmas dinner.
Really? KFC for Christmas? That sounds unusual.
Yes, it's a huge tradition there. But in America and most other countries, people usually eat turkey or ham for Christmas dinner, not fried chicken.
Wow, I love learning about these cultural differences. It's so interesting. Okay, Ken, I think my nervousness is gone. Let's go inside.
Great, let's go in. Look, there is the big menu on the wall. Let's study the basic vocabulary together before you order.
Okay, let's look. I see words like chicken, sandwich, drink, fries, and coleslaw. But what does combo mean?
Ah, a combo means a set meal. It is very useful to know. A combo usually includes three things: a main item, like a sandwich or pieces of chicken, a side dish, like fries, and a drink.
Oh, a combo is a set meal. That is very clear. So what phrases should I use to order?
I will teach you two very important phrases. The first phrase is, I'll have. For example, you can say, I'll have a chicken sandwich.
I'll have a chicken sandwich. Okay, I can say that. What is the second phrase?
The second phrase is, can I get? For example, you can say, can I get a combo, please?
Can I get a combo, please? Ken, what is the difference between I'll have and can I get?
Both are natural and very common, but I'll have sounds slightly more polite. Can I get sounds a little more casual. You can use either one.
Okay, I think I will use I'll have. It feels safer. Look, the line is moving. It's my turn to go to the counter.
You can do it, Mina. I will stand right here behind you.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to KFC. What can I get for you today?
I'll have the original chicken combo, please.
Sure. What size would you like for the combo? We have small, medium, and large.
Regular is... Oh, medium. A medium size, please.
Great. And what side dish would you like with that? You can choose fries or corn salad.
Can I get the corn salad, please?
Of course. What drink would you like?
A cola, please.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Your total is $8.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Your number is 42. Please wait at the side for your food.
Thank you very much. Oh my goodness, Ken, I did it! I really did it!
You did a fantastic job, Mina. You answered all the questions perfectly. How do you feel?
I feel so relieved, and I feel very proud of myself. My hands are shaking a little bit, but that was actually fun.
Here is our food. Look, your original chicken combo and my meal. Let's sit at this table by the window.
Wow, everything looks delicious. Takes a bite. This chicken is so good. It is very crispy on the outside, but it is so juicy on the inside.
Yes, that is the best part about KFC chicken. It is always nice and hot. How is your corn salad?
It is excellent. It feels very fresh and tastes sweet. It matches the salty chicken perfectly.
Try some of my French fries too.
Thank you. Eats a fry. Oh, these are great. They are hot, crispy, and have just the right amount of salt.
I'm glad you like them. Eating food always tastes better after you work hard to order it in English.
You are so right. I was so scared at first, but sitting here eating this food makes me feel like a champion.
You are a champion. Hey, while we eat, do you want to talk about how KFC menus are different in other parts of the world?
There are differences? Tell me more.
Yes. For example, if you go to a KFC in America, they serve something called biscuits.
Biscuits? Like sweet cookies that you eat with tea?
No, actually. In America, a KFC biscuit is soft and bread-like. It is not sweet like a cookie. They usually serve it hot with butter and honey. People eat it together with their fried chicken.
Oh, a soft bread biscuit? That sounds very different, but it sounds delicious. Are there other differences?
Yes, in countries like the Philippines, KFC serves rice meals. You can get a piece of fried chicken with a big scoop of rice and warm gravy. That is because rice is very popular in many Asian cultures.
Wow, fried chicken with rice? I want to try that someday. It is amazing how one restaurant changes its menu for different countries.
It really is. Hey, Mina, I am still a little bit hungry and I want to buy some food for my family at home. Do you want to come with me to the counter? I can show you a more advanced way to order takeout.
Yes, please. I want to watch you and learn more useful English expressions. Let's go. I have my notebook ready.
Watch carefully. Hello again. I'd like to order some food to go, please.
Hello. Sure thing. What would you like to take home?
Can I get a 6-piece original chicken bucket and 2 large fries, please?
You got it. 6 pieces of chicken and 2 large fries. Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes. Can I also get 1 large cola with no ice, please? And I want to change the second drink. Can I get a large lemon tea instead of another cola?
Of course. 1 large cola with no ice and 1 large lemon tea. Anything else?
Let me check. Can I change the large fries to 1 large fries and 1 large coleslaw instead?
Yes, we can do that. So that is a 6-piece chicken bucket, 1 large fries, 1 large coleslaw, 1 large cola with no ice, and 1 large lemon tea. Is that correct?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you.
Great. That will be $24, please.
Here is my card.
Wow, Ken, you used many new phrases, like instead of and no ice. That was very cool.
Thanks. Modifying an order can be tricky, but using simple words like instead of makes it very easy for the staff to understand. Let's sit down for a minute while they prepare the takeout food. Mina, you did great today. Let's review the key expressions we used.
Yes, let's do that. I wrote them down in my notebook. For ordering food, we can use can I get or I'll have.
Exactly. Remember, I'll have is slightly more polite, and can I get is a bit more casual. Both are great. What about when the worker asks for here or to go?
If I want to eat inside the restaurant, I say for here, please. If I want to take the food to my house, I say to go, please.
Perfect. And what do you say when you are finished ordering and don't want anything else?
Oh, that one is easy. No, that's all. Thank you.
Excellent. You also learned how to customize your drinks. You can say no ice or light ice if you only want a little bit of ice.
Yes, those phrases are very practical. You know, Ken, you were right. Short and simple English is enough for communication. I didn't need to say anything long or complicated.
I told you so. Confidence grows through practice. Mistakes are normal and acceptable. The most important thing is to try.
Thank you so much, Ken. I feel much more confident now. Next time, I want to practice my English at a coffee shop or a clothing store.
That sounds like a wonderful plan. Oh, look, our number is being called. Let's grab the takeout food and head home.
How was that? I hope you enjoyed our fast food ordering story at KFC. I really hope this story helped you feel more comfortable with English and helped you learn some useful phrases. Now, let's look at the question from the beginning one more time. Do you remember? What side dish did Mina choose with her combo meal? Did you hear the answer in the conversation? That's right. Mina chose the sweet and fresh corn salad. If you did hear it, please go ahead and write your answer in the comments section. Practicing your English by writing is one of the best ways to improve quickly. On this channel, I share many stories in slow and easy English with phrases you can use every day. I will keep making videos like this for you, so if you liked this one, please subscribe to our channel. And please, don't forget to give this video a like and leave a friendly comment. I also recently started Super Thanks. If you'd like to support the channel, I would truly appreciate your kindness. All right, that is all for today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye-bye.